Now I am presenting the introduction to CSS. Then first introduction to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It's a language to use the HTML document. It controls layout, colors, font, and overall presentation of a web page. And what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, web or in the other media. Why do you use CSS? CSS is a same lot of work. External style sheet are stored in a CSS file, and it controls the layout of multiple web pages all at once. There is the three types of CSS. First one, index CSS, and internal CSS, and next external CSS. Inline CSS is used to use it in the CSS in the HTML tag using the style attributes. For example, open the paragraph and style attribute, colors blue, there is a blue paragraph. Then blue paragraph will appear the roots code. And internal CSS. Internal CSS is in the style tag inside the head section in the HTML document. Example that open the style tag and color the right and then close the style. That's all. External CSS defined in separate .css file linked to the HTML document. It's in separate CSS files. CSS syntax. Yes, CSS rule of consists of a selector and a declaration of a block. Here's an example for selectors in the CSS. Selectors are used to target the HTML elements you want to style. Example, element sector and class sector. It's a dot class name. ID sector, ID name. Colors and fonts. CSS can change text color, background color, and also font style. Example, open the body tag and the background color is light blue and the font style is AAD. Let me end. CSS is an external part of modern web designing, and it separates content from the presentation and making website more flexible and easier to maintain. Then, thank you.